Good morning, boys and girls. I'm Miss Core, and today we'll be looking at Unit 5 Reading Comprehension. The title of this unit is Yum with an exclamation mark. Now, since we have completed Book 1A, we will be starting Book 1B. So take out your Book 1B, Longman English Spark, and go to Unit 5, Yum. So this is Unit 5, Yum. We will be mainly talking about food. Okay, boys and girls, this is how your page 6 looks like. We will only focus on page 6 reading comprehension. The morning meal. When you wake up in the morning, Pooh, said Piglet at last, what's the first thing you say to yourself?
What's for breakfast?
Said Pooh.
What do you say, Piglet?
I say, I wonder what's going to happen exciting today, said Piglet. Pooh nodded thoughtfully. Nodded means move your head up and down, which means agree.
It's the same thing,
he said. Now, boys and girls, when you look at your book, especially on your right-hand side, you will see a jar. This asks you some questions. It says, did you know the word breakfast is made of two words. Break means stop, and fast means a time when you don't eat, especially when you're asleep. So when you wake up, you will say, let's have breakfast. Breakfast means you stop fasting, you stop not eating. And when you break the fast, that means you start to eat some food. Paragraph 2. Most of us don't feel the same way as Pooh. We skip breakfast to save time or because we just don't feel like eating. Paragraph 3. Let's look at this meal like scientists. It provides your body. It gives your body. Provides means G-I-V-E-S, gives. It gives your body with the fuel, with the energy you need to get through the morning. So in the morning, you need energy. And where do you get the energy? From your breakfast. Okay, so line 12. You haven't eaten all night and your body needs calories. It just doesn't know it because your brain hasn't woken up yet. Hello? Wakey, wakey, wake up! If you miss breakfast, your whole body functions slowly. That means if you do not have breakfast, your body will become slow, your body will become tired, and you don't have the energy to do what you want. Line 15. It's like you're driving an old car, while the breakfast eaters, they're zooming past in sports cars. Which means people who have breakfast, they think faster, they perform better, and they do much better than those who do not have breakfast. Paragraph 5. A good breakfast should be easy to make, filling. Filling means make you feel full, make you feel satisfied, make you feel good. And of course, scrummy, S-C-R-U-M-M-Y, which means tasty, yummy, delicious. Let's take a look at a simple breakfast dish which ticks all the boxes. Ticks what kind of boxes? Ticks easy to make, filling, and of course scrummy, which means yummy. Line 20. we're going to introduce a breakfast called a homemade breakfast muffin. Okay, now boys and girls, let's go to page 7. Your Unit 5, page 7 looks like this. You will see breakfast muffin, the ingredients, and also some cooking tips. Now let's take a look at the cooking tip. So you can see this is an egg, alright? And this is a round fried egg. Now why do we need to use a round fried egg for an English muffin? It is because it suits well with the English muffin, the bread. So let's look at it together. A round fried egg will fit neatly, will fit perfectly in an English muffin, the bread. But how can you cook a perfectly round fried egg? It's easy. Just fry it with an onion ring and you will get a round fried egg every time, plus a tasty onion ring. So what is an onion ring? You can look at the egg, the outside surface, you can see it's white in color. That is called an onion ring. Now let's take a look at the ingredients needed for making the breakfast muffin. So we have 1 English muffin, 1 slice of bacon, 1 slice of cheese, 2 teaspoons of cooking oil, 1 large egg, and 1 pinch of salt. So pinch stands for a little bit, alright? So when people say 1 pinch of salt, you will use the finger to put a little bit of salt onto a certain ingredient. Okay, so let's look at the steps of making breakfast muffin. Now, but remember, this ingredient is only for 1 person. As you can see, it serves 1 only. Okay, number 1, fry the bacon in a teaspoon of cooking oil. When cooked, place it on a piece of kitchen paper. Number 2, split the English muffin and toast the 2 halves. Number 3, fry the egg in the rest of the cooking oil. Number 4, now put the egg and bacon on 1 half of the muffin. Number 5, while the egg and bacon are still warm, top with the slice of cheese so that it melts, and then put on the other half of the muffin. That's it. That's how you make the English breakfast muffin. So boys and girls, now that we have discussed page 6 and page 7, please complete pages 7 and 8 reading comprehension, both parts A and B. The deadline for this homework is the 2nd of March 2020 at 12 p.m. If you have any questions, remember to WhatsApp or ask your English teacher. Thank you. See you next time. Goodbye.